Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 2, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to check. I will go with my Messenger one. Enter your screen lock. And to make it visible, tap on this eye next to it. As you can see after that, my password is visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!